Imagine a time when cleaning your home meant nothing more than sweeping dust from one corner to another. Before the invention of vacuum cleaners, people relied on brooms, rugs, and sheer physical effort to keep their spaces clean. Dust wasn't removed, it was simply relocated, and in many ways, homes were never truly clean. The story of the vacuum cleaner begins in the 19th century, during the Industrial Revolution, when people started seeking more efficient ways to manage cleanliness, especially in urban environments where dust and pollution were becoming serious issues. The earliest attempts were not even electric. In fact, one of the first devices was a manual machine that required hand pumping to create suction. It was bulky, inefficient, and exhausting to use. Then came a strange invention known as the carpet sweeper, which didn't actually use suction, but instead used brushes to collect dirt. While it was a step forward, it still couldn't remove fine dust particles embedded deep within carpets. A major breakthrough came in 1901 when British engineer Hubert Cecil Booth introduced one of the first true vacuum cleaners. His machine was enormous, so large that it had to be transported by horse-drawn carriage. It was parked outside buildings, and long hoses were run through windows to clean interiors. It worked using powerful suction, but it was far from practical for everyday home use. Around the same time, an American inventor named James Murray Spangler created a smaller portable electric vacuum cleaner. He used a fan motor, a box, and even a pillowcase as a dust collector. This was revolutionary. It made vacuum cleaning more accessible. Spangler later sold his invention to William Hoover, whose company would go on to dominate the vacuum cleaner industry for decades. This is why in some countries people still say hoovering instead of vacuuming. As electricity became more common in homes during the early 20th century, vacuum cleaners started becoming more compact and user-friendly. By the 1920s and 1930s, upright vacuum cleaners were introduced, making it easier for people to clean floors without bending down or exerting too much effort. In the mid-20th century, design and convenience became key focuses. Vacuum cleaners became lighter, quieter, and more efficient. Innovations like disposable dust bags improved hygiene, and attachments allowed users to clean not just floors, but also furniture, curtains, and corners. Then came the era of technology-driven evolution. In the late 20th and early 21st centuries, bagless vacuum cleaners became popular, thanks to innovations like cyclonic separation. This technology allowed vacuums to maintain strong suction without losing efficiency as they filled up with dust. One of the most revolutionary developments was the introduction of robotic vacuum cleaners. These smart devices could navigate rooms, avoid obstacles, and clean floors automatically, all without human intervention. Suddenly, cleaning was no longer a chore. It became something that could happen in the background while you focused on other tasks. Today, vacuum cleaners are smarter, more powerful, and more specialized than ever before. From handheld, cordless models to AI-powered robotic systems, the evolution reflects not just technological advancement, but also changing lifestyles. People want convenience, efficiency, and automation, and modern vacuum cleaners deliver exactly that. What started as a massive, horse-drawn machine has now become a sleek, intelligent device that can fit in your hand or operate entirely on its own. The journey of the vacuum cleaner is a perfect example of how innovation transforms everyday life, turning one of the most tedious household chores into something effortless. And as technology continues to evolve, one thing is certain: the future of cleaning will only get smarter from here.